What is up, YouTube? Matthew Grinnell here. You're probably wondering why you're looking at a blank wall here in this area. Well, that's why. I decided to take down the fire system because, until further notice, there will not be any fire alarm related videos. And you can see the advance there. But, until further notice, there will be no fire alarm related videos due to the fact that I had to take it down because we're not doing drills anytime soon, unfortunately. Plans changed. Reason for that is not to be disclosed at this time, and I probably won't ever disclose the reason why. But license plate update. I got more coming. They will be in soon. As you can see, I've taken them all off the wall. The only thing on this wall here is that deer rack and that neon sign and this power bar for a couple of miscellaneous things, like the main computer right there, and which also runs on that monitor. But yeah, there will be nothing going on anytime soon because reasons. Yeah, I've even pulled all the levels that were over there, and I'm probably going to pull that flywheel down too. Just a minute. And then I even took all the Hot Wheels off of the wall over here, and that changed the other week. This will be going out fairly soon, so that won't be in here. And the main reason for this being taken down is until I know for certain whether or not something is or is not going to happen, then we will go from there. But there is the off chance that we might have to do something in the event of an emergency, so I had to take this stuff down. I'm not going into detail as to what's going on. But there's all the gaming stuff. That Nintendo Wii has got a GameCube game in it right now. As you can see, there's cars for GameCube under there. And that's what's in the Wii. And back here, there's a bunch of cool stuff behind the TV. Xbox 360 down there. Nintendo Switch is over here in the box, packed away, and they still have this foam thing because that is going to come in handy for that emergency situation that's coming up. It's mainly for this here, and it does look really good. Just a little update. Sometimes it can get cold, so half of the light won't want to work. As you can see, it's Budweiser Pig Barbecue, and this is not a sponsored video. Under any circumstance, it's not. So, and here's what the tubes look like when the sign is off. This tube here that says Budweiser has CO2 in it, and then the red tube, and there's another red tube up there, has neon gas in it. This tube is white, but it's pink, so therefore it's got neon gas in it as well. The reason I know that this here is CO2 is because CO2 glows white. Argon glows blue, and then helium is for green, and I think it's for a couple other colors too, but don't quote me on that. I just barely started researching neon signs, but the most common gases used inside them are neon and argon gas. And the only thing on this wall here is that thing, which I'm going to take down. Because, as you guys know, this is a big announcement video, and something big is happening in the future. And hopefully it's not as bad as we think it is. But, yeah. As far as that's concerned. And if you want to know what that thing is, you're just going to have to keep guessing, because I'm not going to tell you. Oh, we got Old Glory inside the arcade machine under the glass, and the high score for the machine, which is 1,980,516. I set that high score, and that's the how to play. There's your weapons and whatnot. The game's called Time Soldiers, but it's inside of a Space Panic cabinet by Universal. This game, arcade game, used to be at our local youth center, which closed. Nobody wanted it. Somebody got it cheap. I wound up with it because that person didn't want it, and I was the one who wanted it anyway, so that's a win. You guys have seen it on a couple other videos in the past. Anyway, yeah, because we're not doing fire drills or anything like that for the foreseeable future. So, I took the system out, and I'm going to put it back into the boxes that it shipped in, and you can see all the movies and stuff. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I wish this video was coming to you on better terms, but it isn't. And I apologize for that. I know I said there was going to be fire drills in June, but something big came up, and that's not happening now. So, and there probably will not be a fire alarm video maybe until August or September, if I ever do them again, because of what's going on. So, like I said, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'm running out of time here, so gotta cut it off. Thanks for watching.